Hi, welcome to our channel. So, any kind of promotions, how to create Instagram ads. So, that I mean by how to we can post Instagram like video or images, which can increase the boost post option. So, image, nothing to will be work out. Any Instagram post, we can validate by the only particular video option. So, first of all, I'm selecting for ashokacomputers.coms who are looking for particular services like CC installation, projector, and laptop repairs, computers. You can contact this particular website option. First of all, I design the particular video and I will prepare the one content will be for video purpose. This content, first of all, you can publish on your Instagram will be directly. Don't use the business shoot option. Any Instagram, upload any video, direct use Instagram account. Why? Because short will be select image more important. After uploading any kind of video, everything. So here will be select this particular option. Look into here. Select original. Next. After that, why we are selecting for Instagram option? We can change your thumbnail will be here. Proper thumbnail is important each and every Instagram account. So I'm selecting here and very clearly visible to the structure. Click for next. And one more important, anything you will be trim your particular video, any number is wrong, you can trim the your particular Instagram account. Click for next. Post your content along with hashtags and click for share. Each hashtag, how many posts will be there, they will help by the particular option. Click for share. Once it is done, next option, Facebook. Facebook also you can done by individual, where select by the reel or photo or video. Photo or video, what is the advantages? Two, we can get call option, gets WhatsApp option will be there. So Facebook using time, we can using two things. One is a real time, second will be WhatsApp and get call option. So today I'll use a reel. Tomorrow we can the video will be using for WhatsApp option. Day after tomorrow reel. Day after tomorrow we'll using for call option. Segment changing for what will happen based on the post. Anybody came to your particular option. Is another ad is called can generating leads from your WhatsApp also. Then click for post option. After posting, how we can creating ad for Instagram purpose? There is a two options. Here, what are the Facebook page you are allocated everything? See this promote website. Every option will be here. But any kind of ad generation purpose, facebook.com/manage. Select your account, which account you will be useful, ads manager. So that you will be selected will be any Facebook will be created for Facebook purpose and Instagram purpose. Instagram ads, anything will be dependent by the Facebook account created. So click for create. So a lot of people question is called, so which company is better to running the ads? So there is a number of ads are there. That is called we can go for sales, lead generation, engagement, app promotion, traffic and awareness. In a traffic, we can divide it by the three parts. Facebook traffic, WhatsApp traffic, and Instagram traffic. That website will be. Awareness is nothing but to people know about your product. Show your product ads to the people who are most like to remember them. Risk or reach, brand awareness, video views, store location awareness. Awareness nothing but people when are scrolling any particular video, they can easily understanding how this. So before creating ad, first of all, uploading the video, check go to the profile. Right now, I'll check with the reel option. How many views my reel? Right now, reel will be zero. Previous 16, 5, 105, number of things are there. But I had increased the more views, more reel views. Sir, image, video both are there. Which is we can go for Instagram ad. Video can easily we can check the views. But image, we can check by inside in the back end, not for the front end. So compulsory, what are the ad you created? Instagram reel, we have to use it. That is reaching for more audience and get the more awareness to our page and a website link and anything. And mobile version, desktop version, complete different. Now we discuss only for desktop version. Go to Ads Manager. I'm selecting for awareness. Click for continue. After click for continue, I'm selecting for a show computer ad shortcut that is called action. Click for next. First step, don't touch anything. Second step, what is the your awareness? First of all, select your Facebook page. Maximum reach for ad. They will show the three options. That is a goals. Goal nothing but what are the your target audience? What is the target awareness? Maximum reach of ad will try to show your ad to as many people as possible. Next one, maximum number of impression. When you click here, see this count 7,700 to 22,000. Budget of 200. But my budget will be only 85 rupees. I'll go with my dedicated to the minimum budget. Why? 85 is a minimum. Along with GST, it go for 100 rupees. So, maximum number of impression how much? 3,300 to 9,500. I'll go with maximum recall lift. 4,500 to 13,000. Maximum reach of ad. How much? 8,600 to 25,000. Which is more maximum reach of ad? What is it? We'll try to show your ad to as many people. We'll try to show your ad as many times as possible. One person we can see number of times, maybe 1, 2 times also. Last one, we'll try to show your ad to people who are likely to remember seeing them. Existing customer and new customer. But first one, we'll try to show your ad to as many people as possible. Only for new users. But here will be people as many times as possible. Show your ad to people as many times as possible. So how many users, how much time you have to spend like this. But I have to reach the more people. Go with the first option. But I have to show the customers can see. Suppose that one person see my ad. Right now not interested. I could see another time. Go for the third option. What are the different? 8,600 to 25,000. We could go for last one. Lot of difference. And second one, lot of difference. First one, it is minimum starting from 8,600. One people as conversion will go. There is awareness ad. The budget of 85 rupees. And this is a complete dependent by the location. So right now my location will be Hyderabad. And radius will be 25. Here is that. Rajiv Gandhi Airport is across. We not go with. I'll go with up to 15 kilometers. So 15 kilometers, we will go with the long. So what is the target here? So any target is more affected. So we can selecting from middle of the place and target by the 11 kilometers. Which is the middle of the place that you can target it. Okay, fine. Age people. So age is mandatory or not? Compulsory. 18 years people not showing your ad will be can't see. So what is the main age will be? And target will be 23 years to up to this age will be 45 years. I don't lose my amount. I don't lose the customers. And I don't lose the age people. So compulsory, a target will be here 5,300 to 15,000. Suppose I give this 50. Any difference? Look into this. Same. Only starting will be impress will be increase. But 50 age people can't see your ad. Up to 40 is better. 23 to 45 years. The people can see ad, they can call to our customer. So I can change my age, 21 years. Any difference? Nothing difference. So demographic, all language and placement. Sir, placement, which is better? Advanced placement, manual placement. Suppose I can looking for all placement. Placement will be four types: Facebook, Instagram, audience network, and the final one is called your messenger ads. That all will be into the here. But I'm looking for anywhere I can show my ad. Activate messenger also. Facebook Messenger, they're also showing for sponsors. We can use from desktop and mobile. Both version will applicable, but ad visible by only for mobile version. So that is we can add by here. Facebook, Instagram, audience network, and Messenger. After this, how many placement we can visible here is that. Click for next. After that, what is the ad we can visible to the customer? Select from individual ad from the backend or select existing post from Facebook and Instagram also. How it is possible? Go to ad setup, click this. What is that? Use existing post. Select your post option. Here visible by the two things. One is the Facebook, second will be Instagram. Which is your prefer? I'm preferred by the Instagram post. That is Instagram reel. Click for continue. Here we got some error will be here. The reason any kind of error we can visible to the customer, that is your particular post. We can check into the post ID will be here. Click this, learn more, and click services. Here. Check for ad preview. The reel visible to the customer. All Instagram will not there. So remaining Explorer and everything. This will be complete for Instagram posting purpose. But little bit change into the Facebook reel. Look into this. The preview visible by the all platforms. So here, what am I showing by the WhatsApp? Reel is taking some difficult to the WhatsApp. So what we can call? Change it in a WhatsApp place, add by the contact us, add the website link, update, your error will be removed. So what are the posts you will be sharing? Everything will be here. Now change, update. So here it is. Sometimes it's taking some will be here. Remove. Update it. So after this one, the preview will be your customer. Easily, we can show to will be here. Total 16 placements. Facebook feed, Instagram feed, Facebook marketplace, Facebook video feed, Instagram Explorer. A home is not acceptable. Insta stories, Facebook stories, Messenger stories. So what is the common for all kind of ad will be activated? 1080 by 1080 for video and post. Better create one video 1080 by 1080. But most of the reaching purpose, which ad we can selected? Reel will be selected. So finally, select your contact us, click for publish. So any post selecting time, we have two features. One is Instagram reel, second will be Facebook reel. After selecting this option, button will be selected for contact us, add your URL and click for publish. There is a fraction of seconds. The publish done by your Instagram post. Right now, I will target by the Instagram post, not for the Facebook. So how to know this? Once it is getting review, it is done. The reach will be shown to the customer will be like this here. That is based on the views. So customer, anything approach, I think everything will be, here is that. So same post, can you update by YouTube link also? Yes, you can update by YouTube link on your Facebook and promote by the existing post option. For Instagram, can't. Anything will be image and post. But always remember, any ad you create on Instagram, that only ad by the video one. The video better size 600 by 600, 1080 by 1000. It a better video you can create and upload them and create the ad. So after certain hours, maybe less than 1 hour or more than 1 hour, the ad will be go to the active status. Any ad you create, they will show will be no ad. After some time, some minutes, it will go to the review, under review. After that, they will activate your particular ad option. But any account, nowadays asking one question, side will show you will be account error. Account error nothing but you will be not add the budget on the billing. Go to billing option. You can easily add the particular budget. So add funds. Funds adding time. You can using Paytm, credit card, debit card, everything is possible. But right now adding 150 rupees. Why reason? I'm adding per day budget will be 85 rupees. I have to check my profile. How much is going on everything. So I'll check with the 150. So there will be scan for a Paytm. What are the scans are you will be done will be here. They will be scan your particular Paytm option. Due to technical reason, I'm not showing for scanning option. Now I'll do the payment. Add the budget. Click for done. So total my balance will be 149.99 paisa. Sir, I'm adding 150. Why you can call 0.1 paisa? We don't know anything. That is dependent on by the ads. So you get any account error. Ad is suspended, not delivered. You can show a kind of any errors. That mean by your content is any violation. If you get any violation, you get will be this kind of errors. So be careful to create the ads. Any ad you can create, be careful on the Instagram. So compulsory Instagram, Facebook reach purpose, use the videos, don't use the images. Any Facebook, any Instagram, compulsory minimum budget at the 50 rupees, go ahead minimum reach. That will be increase your awareness. So compulsory do this. That will be increase on your post reach and likes, everything based on the ads. List budget, more reach. That is a call. Facebook awareness ad to boost your Instagram post and Facebook post also. You can add per day 50 rupees also. How much 50 rupees? You will be finished. And continue by the minimum budget option. So those we can run it and increase your postage, likes and your business. If any further question, contact our channel. I definitely will be supportive. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe our channel.